Credit cards have often been seen with suspicion, but they offer a variety of benefits. When used responsibly, one of the primary benefits of credit cards is the convenience they provide. With a simple swipe or tap, you can make purchases without carrying cash. This ease of use is invaluable in emergencies or when making significant purchases. Moreover, credit cards can be an excellent tool for building and maintaining good credit history, which is essential for major financial decisions such as buying a house or car. Regular, timely payments demonstrate to lenders that you are responsible, thereby improving your credit score. A higher credit score can lower your interest rates on loans, saving you money in the long run. Another advantage is the rewards and benefits many credit cards offer, from cashback on purchases to travel points and exclusive discounts. These rewards can make a significant difference. For frequent travelers, cards with travel rewards can provide free flights, hotel stays, and access to airport lounges, making your journeys more comfortable and enjoyable. Credit cards also offer enhanced security features compared to debit cards or cash. Most credit cards come with robust fraud protection services, including notifications of suspicious activity and zero liability for unauthorized charges. This added layer of security can provide peace of mind, particularly with the rise of online shopping and digital transactions. In addition, many credit cards come with extended warranties and purchase protection, which can safeguard your investments in expensive items. If a product you bought with your credit card gets damaged or stolen shortly after purchase, you might be eligible for a refund or replacement through your card issuer. Some cards also offer price protection, which refunds the difference if an item you purchased is later found at a lower price. Lastly, credit cards can serve as a financial cushion in times of need. Whether it's an unexpected medical expense or a sudden car repair, having a credit card can provide immediate financial relief. This flexibility allows you to handle emergencies without the immediate pressure of depleting your savings. However, the key to maximizing these benefits lies in responsible usage, paying your balance in full each month, avoiding unnecessary debts, and keeping track of your spending can ensure that your credit card remains a helpful financial tool rather than a burden. By using credit cards wisely, you can enjoy convenience, rewards, security, and financial flexibility, making them a valuable component of a smart financial strategy.